Hi, my name is Marlene Claflin. I moved to Cheyenne, Wyoming over 30 years ago. We brought our family here, and I can't tell you how much about Wyoming that I love. I have been everywhere, in every corner, every spot. The biggest thing I think that really strikes me is that Wyoming is the North America Serengeti of the United States. We have all the large mammals here concentrated in Yellowstone and Teton National Park, which is my very favorite place to go. But there's other things too that I love about Wyoming, the wide open spaces. You can go camping and never see another person. You can go hiking, the sports, the skiing. My son will say the hunting is fabulous. And what else is really cool is the people. Everybody here is friendly and welcoming, and they're always here to lend a helping hand. And the other thing I really love about Wyoming is the horses and the Western dress code, because I love horses too. So that's why I love Wyoming so much. There's a lot more, but I could go into more detail, but it's a fabulous place to live. And the other thing that I love about Wyoming is my husband and I what we do here is we publish Cheyenne Living Magazine. And we started this a year ago. It's our anniversary this year. And we have met so many people through this magazine. We feature the family on the cover, and it goes out to them every month in their mailbox to their homes. So come to Wyoming. It's a great place to live.